just want to update where I have prepared MCP Model Context Protocol, which is quite famous nowadays, and everybody use this as a usability purpose. So I have created one project for my MCP, which is related to law agent, and it covers all the functionality with respect of the last video, but everything is created in core Python using MCP Python framework. And this MCP server is this project is completely ready. I have started this server. You can see in my terminal, this is the MCP server, and if I want to show you, I can shut down it, and then I can restart it for you if you want. Then it will restart the server for me. Yeah, and you can see I can start this server. So it will start my MCP server, load the Brave MCP tool which I used from the MCP server. Then I have created my own LangGraph agent. One is related to query agent, another one is related to case analysis agent, and I have loaded a RAG application where I loaded a PDF and even the docx and all the file you can upload it, and this will be stored inside the embedding part, so that is also covered. You will see that it will load a PDF file with reference of I can give you the whole detail about the folder structure with readme, but this project is completely handled inside the Python framework, where we use all the tool, and the vector store will be there. Tools are there. You can see the Brave search and the PDF processing and everything, cementing, chunk, everything are there. So I can show you this with my GitHub repo, which is currently not released yet, but I can show you the functionality it covered about the web search using Brave, and I have used MCP server for that. Document search, which I use for legal document, for the law agent related to that. I have used LangGraph agent, case analysis, even I use OPIC tracing, and for LLM I just use two option, OpenAI and Google Gemini. Google Gemini I used in my project. Related to that, you need to start your server. You can have a both option for standard IO and SSE. So I use both the protocol for MCP. And I'm not covering a basic part of model context protocol, but if you are interested to explore more on that, let me know about in the comment sections, and I will cover that video separately. That's not a big deal for me. And I have prepared all the structure for this, where I have prepared a Gradio agent also, just for the testing purpose. If anybody do not want to use Odoo for testing, they can use Gradio platform also. You can run a Docker file for that, and I just covered all the query related example on this file. So let me go with all the explanation are there, but my RAG application is also working, where you can use the PDF processing, semantic chunk, embedding, vector store, and then RAG tool will be there for searching and visualization. And this can be seen from client side also. You can use whatever way you want. And external integration, which I have used for Odoo 18 module. So let me give you that also. So the module is here, and this module I have created uh, with the direct MCP call. There is no anything, any dependency, nothing. I just created a simple chat interface, case analysis. uh, you can also upload your own document to update the file, whatever file you want to update for embedding. You can search the document, and the other settings configurations are also there. Like, I can explain you the configurations what I covered where you can link the MCP server URL under the settings, and that settings will visualize that part. I can show you that in few minutes if it is loading. Yeah, it's loading now. So under the general settings, I have a related configuration for law agent, which enabling, and I have used object tracing also with the API key and the workspace. Rest of the thing are same. So let me quickly test it out for you so you can easily check that how it working. So here is the different chat possibility. You can categorize whatever way, but it's just the matter of testing what you can do. So I can do my own testing, so I can just delete it first as a blank, and then ask my questions, whatever question I want to ask. So here is the example for what are the rules for regarding examining a witness, and you can see I can show you server log also for for this, so it will be visible for you. I hope you can see this. Yeah, and here I just submit the question and immediately switch my screen to server, where the you can see the question is related to that. It will be passed to my MCP server. It will check for the web search. It will use the Brave search for that, and it will call my Node.js installation for that, where it will do a online search related to this, and you will see the Brave search MCP is running using standard IO protocol, and then it will sending the prompt, and accordingly it will reply and generate the response accordingly. And you will see after online search it will go for the rag side, where it will search the document related to this query, and whatever the related chunk it will found the detail, and it will update it for the same prompt. By completing the searching, it will match top 10 similar document search, and that's it. It will return, and you can see the response over here after the update. You can see it will load, but obviously it will found a 5 specific, so it will load all the process and then it will update. It can be minimized. I can minimize this query to less number of record, but for now, for your testing, I'm just giving you, and you will see it will complete the chat with the response over here, and the response is visible for you, and you can see the response over here. About the civil procedure 19.8 specific rule, examining witness court. However, we can discuss commissioner examining of this case. It will also give me the sources of whatever the citation it related. Similarly, I can ask more question. If I want to ask, I can give you a small sample for the procedure of judgment. What are the procedure for judgment? I just submit that. Same, it will ask the query to the agent, and the MCP process will be called. You will see over here, and so the processes are there. It will go for the Brave search, go for the response related to civil law India, what is the procedure of passing a judgment. Then it will return the rag application for the PDF file for how much response or how much result it will get, and based on that it will response me immediately for that, and you will see the response. So this way you can ask for that. Other than that, I have a case analysis for the direct case. You just mention which kind of case you have, like the case, this is a sample where the analysis will be generated automatically based on SAT, and I can do it again. If you want, I can duplicate it for you and generate this case again for you, save, and then analyze the case. So this case will be passed for whole analysis. You can see it will first search the case related detail from the uploaded PDF, whatever the PDF over there. It will take the detail first from there, take all the functionality, do the analysis for, and I have used LangGraph. So LangGraph workflow will be there to cover. It will fetch the all related detail, and this process is quite fast, and accordingly then it will go for the online search also for the same, and go for the law case analysis for the search what it will get from the Brave search. But obviously the Brave search what I'm using is have a limitation of call, how many call are free. Based on that it will run, but you know this MCP will run automatically for the Brave search, and then it will go for the another workflow diagram to process further for the case analysis, and you can check that based on that it will complete whole cycle and generate the analysis, background, and everything related to this case for individually all the process. And it include the, obviously it include the tracing part also to do that. So, and you see after finishing whole case it will generate the post for me for the analysis answer, and you can see the analysis result is there for me for the background analysis, legal issues, evidence analysis, legal principles, judgment predictions, all thing, and the full analysis, and we can print this in report. So this way your case analysis are working. Then you can upload a new document if you want to upload for the file. It will support all three format, whatever you want, and it will index it from Odoo itself. That's a remote way. You can search with the existing, like I can remove the result first for you, and then property rights in Gujarat, I just search this out, and then it will directly put the request from my storage, document storage for the RAG application, and from that how much related chunk it found related to that query, it will fetch from the storage, and then it will return the result directly for the whole chunks what it will found. So that is also there, and I guess that's it. I think the main funda is this application I already run with the Odoo itself also, but the new thing is I completely move whole code logic with MCP protocol, and leverage the MCP protocol to handle whole project. So this particular project I just show in as a client, as a Odoo, but it can be run in Gradio, and it can be run in any Node.js, React.js, any project as a client to be used as a whole case. That is the main purpose, and it's completely done as a successful part. So that's it. Thank you.